Well, tonight, a major ruling from the Minnesota Supreme Court that will exacerbate the already contentious situation in the Minnesota House. The state Supreme Court ruled the special election in Roseville's District 40B was prematurely scheduled by Governor Walz. That means the election can no longer take place on January 28th. Ian Russell is here to break down what it means for the power play going on right now over at the State House. Ian?
Yeah, well, Julie, that ruling came out late this afternoon, but obviously it means a lot of uncertainty is going to be happening over at the state capitol. The DFL has been boycotting the session so far and refusing to show up for work. Experts say this ruling may make that last even longer. New tonight, the Minnesota Supreme Court siding with the state GOP in their petition against Governor Tim Walz. That petition stems from District 40B out of the Roseville area. It came after a court ruled that Democrat Curtis Johnson, who won the race back in November, didn't meet residency requirements for the district and therefore was barred from taking the oath of office. Walz called for a special election on January 28th. The state's highest court today saying that's canceled, saying Walz did in fact call that special election too soon. State statute says the governor can call for that special election 22 days after the session starts. Of course, this session has been off to a different than normal start, with members of the DFL noticeably absent from the House of Representatives, Republicans calling on them to come back to work. As things stand now, Republicans have a one-seat advantage with this empty seat in the House. Political experts weighing in tonight saying we could be in for an extended waiting game in St. Paul.
This is just going to stretch out the twisting and turning and agony of watching the House of Representatives in their current stalemate.
The GOP named Representative Lisa Demuth House Speaker in the DFL's absence. In a statement, she said state law is clear and looks forward to the governor calling a special election pursuant to the state law. The DFL saying in a statement that, quote, "It's unfortunate the people of District 40B will have to wait longer to be represented."